Hey, what's up everybody? So while we're all waiting on WeatherTech and everybody to create, custom floor mats for our EV6, I went ahead and bought these Motor Trend ones off Amazon for like 50 bucks. And the only one that I actually have to modify is the driver's seat. I chose these ones because I liked how the passenger seat went all the way across, and the only thing I had to cut off of it was the little flap on the edge that holds everything together. And the passenger side, I just left the flap there, and everything fit in fine. So the first thing I did was compare the floor mats, which you could also see I posted on my Instagram feed. And I chose not to cut any of these and just leave the flap that was there. So all I have to really do is cut these guys and up here. And if I want to, cut out that corner for the gas pedal. So after I cut out this one corner, I did a test fit and it looked good here. And I don't know why the carpeted mats had this corner cut out, because I still have clearance all the way to the floor when I push the pedal down. So not sure about that, but I'm just gonna leave that in there. It goes all the way past it. And the link for these mats will be in the description below. Thanks for watching.